I'm going to talk about 5 things how to earn money online without any investment, so watch the video carefully and definitely subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. Become an insurance POSB. One of the top ways to earn money online, with zero investment, no time constraints, and working from home, is to become a POSB, point of sales person. A POSP is an insurance agent who works with an insurance company to sell specific insurance products online. As a POSB agent, you will be able to help customers choose the right insurance policy for them as per their personal needs. Are there any requirements? The only requirements to become an insurance agent are you must be over 18 years of age and should have completed Class 10. Following this, all you have to do is complete the 15-hour compulsory training offered by the IRDI to get a general/life insurance license. How much can you earn? There is lots of scope in selling different types of policies, and your income would depend on the number of policies you sell. The more policies you sell, the faster you can earn a high income. So, anybody with an aptitude for selling can become a POSB agent, as long as you have a smartphone and a good internet connection. You can find out more about the steps, requirements, and regulations for becoming a POSB agent here. 2. Through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you do not need any investment to start this work. All you need to do is identify a few key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to potential clients by sharing some sample work. Are there any requirements? If you're good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days, many businesses are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. How much can you earn? Based on the kind of work you offer, you can easily find high-paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing sites include that offer genuine work: Freelance India, 99 Designs, Upwork, Truelancer, Fiverr. 3. Selling homemade items. This is another way you can make easy money from home with no monetary investment. All you need are the raw materials for your products, like cooking ingredients or craft supplies. These include products like baked goods, healthy snacks, scented candles, wall hangings, table mats, and decor items. Are there any requirements? If you have skills in the fields of arts and crafts or cooking, it is quite simple to sell your homemade products online. How much can you earn? Depending on the products you sell, your marketing skills, and the selling partner site you opt for, you can even set your products at high prices. Once you know what you wish to make and sell, you just need to register yourself as a seller on sites like Etsy India, Amazon, Flipkart, Agio, IndiaMart. These sites will amplify your products and ensure they get delivered to customers. On the other hand, you could also sell directly to customers through social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp and use a secondary delivery service. 4. Opt for data entry jobs. Data entry is another option for those who are looking for an online job without investment. If you are looking to work from home or a student looking for a part-time job with flexibility, this can be a good option. Are there any requirements? All you need for such jobs is a computer, knowledge of Excel and other Microsoft tools, an eye for accuracy, and being able to work under deadlines. How much can you earn? Data entry jobs are usually quick or easy, and you can earn 300 Indian rupees to 1,500 Indian rupees per hour. After registering at a trusted website, you can accept data entry jobs from various companies worldwide. Just be sure to check their legitimacy before transferring your account details. Then you will be sent an email or a link to the data source and be given instructions about what to do. Here are some trusted websites where you can look for data entry jobs: Freelancer, Guru, Dion Data Solutions, Axion Data Entry Services, Data Plus. 5. Test apps and websites before they go live. Another simple way to make money online without any investment is by testing out apps and websites. Since companies and app developers don't want their users to get confused by their apps and sites, they hire users to do what is called beta testing. Essentially, they test out their sites or apps and report their user experience, or identify any bugs and problems before they go live to the public. Are there any requirements? To do this, you don't need any special knowledge, so this is good for those looking to work from home, or for part-time work. How much can you earn? Depending on how long and how complex the beta testing process is and your experience with beta testing, you can earn around 1,000 Indian rupees to 3,000 Indian rupees. Some sites that offer app and website testing jobs are beta testing, user testing, startup lift, test.io. Try my before you look for jobs online. However, it can be difficult to find easy but legitimate ways to earn money online, as the internet is full of fake agencies, scams, and frauds. Be careful of any sites that ask you for a registration fee before providing work, or ask for your personal information. Look out for websites that take advantage of your work skills but won't pay you enough as compensation. A great way to avoid such fraudulent websites and companies is to research any site thoroughly and read up on the reviews and comments that people have left about it. Always remember to read the contract that they offer you before signing. Just by utilizing your time better and becoming more productive, you can make a little bit of extra side money just sitting at home and with absolutely no investment. These ways to earn money from home online are time-friendly, and so they are good options for students, homemakers, retirees, and more. Even if you have already got a job, these are great ways to do something more on the side. So, why not take advantage of these opportunities to earn more money?